Dool ng squirrel. Nara siya oh. Pang. Pang. Kay gusto niya ni kanon. Pero bawal ni sa imuha. Di ka pwede. Dili pwede. No, cannot. Cannot. Di siguro ni kasabot og Bisaya ba? English na lang nato. Squirrel. Squirrel, you cannot eat this one. Cannot. You cannot eat. Cannot. You cannot eat this one. You can just eat peanut, okay? Cannot. Makiki-birthday ka kang papa. Ay! Squirrel cannot. Shoo. You cannot eat this one. Cannot. Sus. Squirrel, where are you? Squirrel? Up. Where are you? Show. Maki-birthday po ka papa ha. Dali, kay picturean tika. Tara show. Ulaw. Are you shy, Squirrel? Patik-atik pa yun ha. Squirrel, come to mommy. Bahala ka daro eh. Kini ang gusto ko nun pero bawal man eh. Basig mapriso po ko guay oras ani. Buyers. Happy birthday, Father Tutu.